since the client already knows what they want and the budgets. Problem is, these clients might have seen the project during the pre-selling, during the time when the developer was promoting the project. And right now, we're on the secondary market. So so fully sold out na, so secondary market na. So naturally with real estate, medyo tumaas na yung value. So the exact property may no longer be available, or probably yung price niya has already increased in value. So yun ang magiging problem natin with these kinds of clients. But the solution will be to manage the expectations of our client. So to explain to them clearly that before ito yung price, but now ngayon bago na siya. Yan. So,
I think
yes.
Mr. Joby, gusto kong i-add din, no? Clients who know exactly what they want, kasi that's the main reason that we as broker, we have to do the initial parang asking, no, to know what exactly yung kailangan nila, para at least we don't waste their time. You don't kunyari nagsabi na may kailangan na residential sa ganitong area, maybe it should be medyo very specific, no, kasi nga alam ng mga buyers kung ano talaga yung gusto nila.